Good morning and welcome to your market update for Tuesday, June 30th, 2026. The bulls are running strong today, especially in tech. Let's break it all down, starting with the major indices. And it is a green day across the board. The S&P 500 is up 0.7%, sitting at 746. The Nasdaq is the clear leader, surging 1.5% to 735. The Dow is the quiet one today, up just 0.2% at 522. Tech is clearly doing the heavy lifting this morning. Now let's get to the Magnificent Seven, where we've got some big movers. Apple is today's star, jumping 2.5% to $288.86. That's a strong move for the world's most valuable company. Nvidia is right behind it, climbing nearly 2% to $198.62. AI demand continues to keep this name in the spotlight. Tesla is up 1.3%, trading at $417.16. Alphabet is adding about 1%, moving to $357.34. The one outlier today is Meta, slipping almost 1% to $557.23. 4 out of 5 in the green is a solid showing for big tech. Let's check in on commodities. Gold is ticking higher, up 0.3% to $369.72. Silver is the big mover here, surging 2.5% to nearly $54. That is a notable rally in the precious metals space. Oil is pulling back slightly, with WTI crude down about 0.8% to $106.17. Over in crypto, it's a different story. Bitcoin is under pressure, dropping 2.2% to $58,425. Ethereum is also sliding, down 0.75% to $1,565. Crypto is sitting this rally out today. Now let's hit 3 headlines you need to know. First, Rocket Lab is making a massive move, acquiring satellite operator Iridium. This deal is a direct challenge to SpaceX's dominance in the space economy. That's a headline worth watching closely. Second, Medicare is about to start covering GLP-1 drugs for weight loss. This could be a game changer for the pharmaceutical industry and millions of Americans. Keep an eye on names in that space. And third, the Supreme Court has ruled that President Trump cannot fire Federal Reserve member Lisa Cook. However, the court did grant broader authority over other independent agencies. This is a significant decision for the balance of power in Washington. So to wrap it up, tech is leading the charge this morning. The Nasdaq is surging, Apple and Nvidia are powering higher, and the overall mood is bullish. Crypto and oil are the weak spots, but equities are looking strong heading into the close of the quarter. Watch for end-of-quarter portfolio rebalancing as we close out the first half of 2026. That could bring some volatility into the afternoon session. Keep an eye on how those GLP-1 stocks react to the Medicare news. And don't forget, tomorrow kicks off a brand new quarter. That's your market update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.